In this video, I'll show you how to change your Payoneer account to a business account step by step. First, sign into your Payoneer account and go to your profile settings. Click your profile icon, then select Settings and open the Profile Details or Business Profile section. This is where Payoneer stores information about your account type and business activity. Next, check if there is an option to update your business information. Payoneer often asks for details such as your business name, business type, website, or the services you provide. Enter the correct information that matches your actual business or freelance activity. In some cases, Payoneer does not allow you to directly switch a personal account to a business account from the dashboard. Instead, you may need to contact Payoneer support through the Help Center and request an account type update. The support team may ask you to provide additional documents such as business registration documents or proof of business activity. After submitting the required details and documents, Payoneer will review your request. Once approved, your account will be updated to a business profile and you'll be able to use features designed for businesses. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.